So here's the Keychron V1, their budget custom mechanical keyboard offering, and it's great. For $84, the Keychron V1 offers a hot-swappable 75% layout with RGB, an acoustic silicon pad, double-shot PBT keycaps, as well as a steel plate. The version I have here is the one with the knob. The knob adds some more versatility as you can map it to use it for several different scenarios. By default, it controls the volume. In terms of weight, the V1 is quite heavy even though the housing is plastic. This is probably due to the steel plate built into the keyboard. The design is quite aesthetic and is shaped well for long use. However, you may need to get a wrist rest as it is quite tall. The legends are easy to read and the positioning of the keys are standard as you would expect. The Keychron V1 also features full support for QMK and VIA, which means you can easily program and map each key on the V1, letting you have full control over how you want to use your keyboard. By default, you can switch between macOS and Windows through the switch found on the back of the keyboard. In conclusion, I think the Keychron V1 is a solid choice for anyone looking to go deeper into the mechanical keyboard world and try going custom. The V1 provides a solid amount of features and an awesome typing experience that feels and sounds premium. Keychron has also provided a great range of tools for you to start going deep into customizing your keyboard. The only downsides are that the RGB backlight is hard to see because of the solid non-transparent keycaps. There's also no option for Bluetooth, which means you have to be wired at all times. However, the cable is braided and durable. So that's what my impressions of the Keychron V1 are. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.